So today Goa Riding Club has organized Tiranga Rally. So what do you like to say?
My name is Bonnie. I'm a member of one of the founder members of Goa Riding Club. The theme for our ride today is road safety, and partnering us today is Kestrol, Dionysi and Manipal Hospitals. As you can see, we have already got 50 plus members here and another 15 more are on the way. And we've got the ambulance from Manipal. And the Kestrol team is right here, who's going to, they themselves are also going to be discussing road safety. So the theme for this year is road safety. Because what we see nowadays is many young kids, college going kids, they get the bikes, and they don't know how to ride. And as a result, we see a lot of accidents happening. Now it's very easy to blame all the bikers, but what is important to be noted is just having a motorcycle will not make you a biker. You have to follow all the rules and regulations and take all the necessary protection, and then you can enjoy your bike.
So today what is your route?
So today what we are going to do is, after the initial briefing by Kestrol, by Dionysi and by Manipal Hospital specifically on road accidents, we will be riding towards, from the Mirche circle we will be going to Verna. Then the Verna tank, we will assemble there for a couple of photo shoots and then we ride back. Along the way, Manipal Hospitals is also going to explain to all the members on road safety in terms of emergency. So if we see an accident, how we can help in, what are the things we should do and we should not do when we see someone else in an accident. Because many a times you end up in a motive of helping people, you end up doing stuff which might not be right, like how to handle the person's head and neck and stuff like that. So that briefing will be done, small educational session, and then we ride back.
So most of the students think having sports bike make them rider. On this, what do you like to say?
See, as I said, having a bike, no matter what the bike, it could be a 100cc, it could be a 1000cc, does not make you a biker. Okay. Many people can afford bikes nowadays. Many people get bikes gifted by the parents. Any which ways, what is important is you understand that bike first. You should know your own limitations. I might not be able to ride a very big bike. At the same time, someone who's not as big as me could ride the biggest bike around. It's all about your skills. It's the biker's skills. It's not the motorcycle which matters, right? And second thing is, you should not have any ego when you're on the road. Say, supposing someone overtakes you. Usually people have a sense, I'm riding a motorcycle, a scooter overtakes me, their ego gets hurt and they want to go fast. Never get into a competition. The road is not a racetrack. You want to compete, go fast, take the necessary training and then go on the racetracks. And you can do your racing there. Road is for commuting. There are majority of the people are commuters. There are people who are old. There are people who are riding with kids in the vehicle. So you're not supposed to race there. You're supposed to be very responsible. If you can't help others, at least don't be the main problem for them. So be responsible no matter what bike you ride. If you can ride it responsibly, it's always a good thing.
So Riding Club Goa, what other activity do?
So Goa Riding Club, what we do is, there are multiple rides that we do. Some of our main rides are on 15th August, 26th January, 19th December. That apart, we go to different colleges and institutions where we educate the kids. Because these are the kids who have just got 18, they've got their license. Now they want to start riding. So we educate them on what is the right practice, what is the minimum safety gear they need to have, what are the things they can do to contribute to the community. So these are the things we do. That apart, we also have tie-up with different tracks in Goa, off-roading tracks. So we conduct off-roading riding sessions to teach whoever comes through us on how to ride off-road, how to ride in trails. We also have small sessions on how to ride on the road. So these are some of the activities we do, and then we do a bit of CSR also, like blood donations and stuff.
So, sir, any of the person want to be a member of your club?
Yeah.
So, what's the procedure?
So the first procedure is you have to connect with us and do at least 2 rides with us, because during these 2 rides you will know as a guest member on what are the different responsibilities, on the road, what are the different responsibilities, what is discipline, road discipline, and we observe you over these rides. And if we find that your mentality matches our vision as a group, then we add you to the group. And if your mentality does not match, then we don't allow you to ride with us.
So, as your Tiranga rally about to begin, any message for the youth?
One simple message for the youth: don't follow traffic rules just to avoid a fine. Follow traffic rules because it's good for you and it's good for the society.
Thank you so much.